Welcome to another edition of Selling Life and Annuities. I'm Randy Pierson, Vice President of Life and Annuities for Gord Marketing, and with me today I've got Ray Parman, our Regional Vice President on life insurance sales. And today, Ray, we wanted to talk about how consumers can tame a bear market. Let's just say the bear market we happen to be in right now with traditional insurance products, most specifically whole life insurance.
Absolutely, right? Yeah.
So let's start from the beginning. And Ray, can you explain to the viewers who may not be quite as educated in the financial services space, what exactly is a bear market?
Well, a bear market, the SEC defines it by 2 consecutive months of 20% or more drop on an index, such as the S&P. And you know, we've had a lot of ups and downs in the market this year, more downs than ups, you could say. And really, year to date, as of August of 2022, the S&P is down about 17%. So we're, if we're not already in a bear market at this point, we're darn close.
Yeah, in fact, at the recording of this video just 2 days ago, I think the Dow dropped nearly 1,000 points in one day. Mm-hmm. Just today, the Fed increased short-term interest rates by 75 basis points.
Yep.
Man, I tell you what, we are in financial turmoil right now, right?
Yep.
So what are, when an agent who's watching this video thinks, how can I leverage what's going on in the economy right now to sell more insurance? What's the strategy that we're alluding to here, that we're guiding them to?
So, I just wanted to bring this to the table here. You know, just a nice way to strategically use cash value in a whole life contract to, fight what most retirees have, this fear of running out of money in retirement. And, using whole life is really a non-correlated to the market kind of asset. So the whole life policy, in most cases, they have the guarantees. They have to grow by design. Plus you have the dividend opportunity too. But again, they're not dictated by whatever is happening, in the Dow, the NASDAQ, or anything like that. They are a completely different asset class.
Yeah, and as somebody, look, I've been in the insurance business for 35 years, and I own both indexed universal life. I own whole life, participating, dividend paying whole life, and I also own multiple fixed indexed annuities. And I can tell you, I just got my IUL statement just a few days ago, about a week or so ago, and guess what I'm going to be getting on that product? I'll give you one guess.
You won't be growing this year, maybe.
Yes. That phrase, zero is your hero. Yeah. I'm living it right now in my life insurance policy. However, to your point, my whole life policy has been that steady Eddie in my financial portfolio for a number of years. And I'm confident that when I get my next statement, that my money within that policy will have grown another year. Yeah. Right? To your point.
Yeah. Absolutely. And, absolutely nothing wrong with IUL. And again, we have a ton of upside potential within that. But where I'm going with this is assigning some strategy to utilizing the cash value that grows up in this non-correlated asset for somebody to use as a retirement income sleeve of money, during the retirement years. And, where I'm going with that is, yes, I've saved up my retirement funds. They're, maybe exposed in the market. But a year like this, maybe when the stock market's been down, instead of taking my income out of my retirement assets and essentially selling into a loss
that are subject to the market.
Yeah. And thereby accelerating the depletion of my retirement accounts.
When it's down.
Exactly. Why not take my income tax-free from my whole life policy to get me through this year and allow my retirement assets to catch an upswing on the market?
Absolutely. It's all about being strategic, right? And, utilizing time, even timing to the consumer's benefit, right? Yeah. And one of the adages that everybody in financial services, even agents out there who only sell insurance products, should adhere to is that idea that diversification, right, is the key to success.
Yes.
And so having, to your point, money in several different pots, i.e. vehicles, can serve them rather well.
No doubt about it. No doubt about it. And, it helps, make a very good case why we want to use cash value. And again, we're looking for folks in their 30s, 40s, and 50s that still have enough time to contribute premium and grow the cash value in a meaningful way there too. So that's, kind of a 3-decade, client demographic that we're looking for, before we get to retirement years.
Yeah. And I want to throw something else out there too, before we have to end the video, that, there's a lot of pundits out there, financial gurus out there that talk about life insurance in a negative fashion. And certainly for professionals like you and me and most of the agents that are watching this video, I think we all realize that when you speak in generalities, right, when you've got these pundits out there that talk about life insurance like it's one tool or one design, that's certainly not going to be good for all consumers. But the beauty of the products that we have today, both whole life and IUL products, is that they are very customizable, right? We can even a stodgy participating whole life insurance product from a blue chip carrier that's been around forever can be finessed to be incredibly consumer friendly. Right?
Absolutely can.
And if you are, as an agent watching this video, and you're unfamiliar with how to make that happen, you got to reach out to a guy like Ray in our office. I mean, Ray's got decades of experience in the business, and he can help you design a product that will literally change the way you do business, but most importantly, bowl your clients over. When you
bring them a unique opportunity that not everybody's talking about.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, listen, Ray, for that, at this point, we've got to call this episode of Selling Life and Annuities to an end. We've reached our time limit. But once again, I would encourage you, if you've got questions, if we stimulated your interest during the course of this video, I would encourage you to reach out to Ray Parman or myself or any member of the marketing team at Gordon Marketing, because our job is to help you get in front of more clients or prospects and sell more insurance and make more money. Before we say goodbye, however, I'd like to ask you to do me a solid and click subscribe at the bottom of this video, as well as the notification bell, so that you'll be sure to be notified every time we come out with some new content. But on behalf of my good friend Ray Parman and myself, we'd like to wish you happy selling.